IMAGINiT Revit Utilities Revit Addin Helper. With Revit Addin Helper, we can go in, a dialog box will pop up referring to your user account controls. So yes, then the Revit Addin Helper dialog box pops up. We can select the release that we want to work with. We can disable third-party add-ins or built-in add-ins. So what this application does, sometimes Revit crashes. And we try different things. Sometimes we'll uninstall and reinstall. That doesn't help. We'll make sure that updates are installed, and sometimes that doesn't help. And sometimes it is caused by the add-ins. So with this application, we could select the version we wish to disable these add-ins in, and which add-ins we would like to choose to disable within Revit, or to determine why Revit crashes. We're going to select all of the third-party add-ins, which you can see some of them are Autodesk add-ins. There's Formit, Datasmith, which is the add-in for Twinmotion, and we'll select Disable. This action will disable 11 add-ins. However, there could be an add-in that may not be able to be disabled by this application. As you can see, our IMAGINiT Revit Utilities cannot be disabled. So we'll hit OK to this, and we'll leave this dialog box open, and we'll start Revit. Once in Revit, we'll either open a file or start a new project. And you'll see now, add-ins tab's missing. My point layout tab is missing. And now I can test the file to see if one of the add-ins was the issue with Revit crashing. So now I'm going to exit Revit. I'm going to enable all these add-ins. And I'll restart Revit while the dialog box is open. And now when we go into our file, we can see the point layouts tab is now available. The add-ins tab and the add-ins are now available as well. This is another way of troubleshooting Revit issues to determine if it is caused by an add-in. So remember, we could disable third-party add-ins as well as some of the Autodesk built-in add-ins. Thank you.